Oh, oh my God, everyone. Oh, hey guys, but yeah, you see this, everyone? Oh my God. It's really starting to rain. I'm not sticking out. God, I can feel the wind getting on me. Oh my. See this, everyone? Oh, hey guys, but yeah, guys, you see this? Oh my. This is the worst weather ever. Yeah, but I know that a lot of people like it, but guys, I do not like water. Yeah, I do not. But I still kind of like it. It'll be really good if a thunderstorm comes, guys, because I can get a shot of, what is it called? The thunder, yeah. Oh my God. Wow.